Hey guys, good morning. I want to do something kind of fun this morning. I haven't done this yet, but I wanted to know, based off where structure's at, we're going to look at all 13 coins here. What is happening with long and short trade data? How many people are going long for short? We're going to look at the volume of them, and then we're going to also look at the market cap strength to see what's happening here. Can we predict a massive short squeeze that's about to happen on Bitcoin for everybody who's looking short? Or is this thing going to tank right back down? A really good video for all of you guys who are, if you have money in any of these coins right now. Okay, real quick, I'll make this fast, guys. You need to know about our indicator sell. It is ending. Here's the deal. I'll start with the profit so you guys can get actually excited about this because it's pretty insane. We have won the last 5 scalping trades called out on this channel. I called the last 5 trades. It was on Ethereum, DOT, Mana, Doge, and Avalanche. Got them all right there. They have all hit 4%. Okay, if you guys did not use our buy limits, which I highly suggest you did, depending on how much you put into each of our trades, you guys ended up actually doing 20% in the last 5 trades. Okay, I just want to make this aware of you guys. You have 48 hours left. I know it sounds like, oh, this guy's trying to sell a bunch of things in the beginning. Guys, here's the deal. People are doing amazing with this, and I'm going to be coming out with scalping videos this week coming up. This is why I'm telling you right now. I'm going to call out more trades, which makes more money for you in your pocket that's listening. This guy literally, he did use leverage, but he took $150, turned it into $1,000, $5,000 in a week, so on and so forth. You guys can read that. It's in the description. Want to make that clear? Click this, enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. You guys will get 84% off. Okay. I want to dive into the analysis now because we're going to be using these and just go straight into this. The price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. These are the indicators that we're going to be using today, which you guys will be getting. You guys need to be watching this. Well money flow this high and trend exhaustion is high. We're looking for this drop back down. Why? Because we've seen it so many times before. Look at this area over here. We saw a drop down in Bitcoin, and I'm going to go through these coins here and I'll give us an analysis. Just want to show you guys some things we need to prep ourselves with here. How accurate are these actually calling drops? Well, it called this drop over here very well in the market, okay? We saw this drop here. All of you guys who have been shorting, I've been calling this out for you guys. This is the best time to be scalping the markets. You're doing very well. I guarantee you guys, people are waking up this morning, they're going to be shorting. So let's go over this and look at the long versus short trade data and see if we can see anything happening between the long and short trade data as well as the market cap strength. So over on tradeconfident.io, you guys do need a membership for this, just $95 a month, give you access to everything we've got here. Let's just dive in and give you guys all the good stuff this morning. Bitcoin, let's start here. Looking at long trades, long trade volume is incredibly higher for Bitcoin than it is short trade. We're going to be looking at this on Bitfinex, okay? Volume is still increasing dramatically. Bitcoin market cap here, guys, is going up a lot. Hundreds of millions of dollars are heading into Bitcoin, and I believe it's because the big boys are seeing that this is just the bottom here, and we are going to probably short squeeze a bunch of people at 32,500, and I do have a stronger feeling it's going to 36,000 than it is going to go back to 20,000, okay? Here's an interesting thing on Ethereum. Ethereum is technically at a bearish stance right now with a break and retest pattern. This will actually usually like to look to form a move to the downside. So again, Ethereum could actually short trap a bunch of short traders this morning as well and this week for a move back up because they're looking to short right here at structure lows, which is now structure highs now. This is getting interesting. Now let's come over here and let's look at Ethereum. If we take a look at the long versus short trades on Ethereum, we can see long trades are still higher in volume. And do you guys see what happened over here? Let me get in closer. Short trades actually have been moving out a little bit here. I think they're kind of getting out of the way for a precursor move up here. Okay, let's move down here. Market cap strength, it's just steadily increasing here, but overall, the money on Ethereum, guys, has been moving out a lot. Bitcoin's market cap has been seeing this continual move up here with hundreds of millions moving in the last week and a half or so, but Ethereum, for some reason, is not keeping up with Bitcoin. So just want you guys to be aware of that, want you to be watching it. Okay, let's go to Cardano. The only coin here that's actually pushing into double digits here, up about 10.96%. Even this coin is pushing up into some resistances right now. Guys, the short squeeze that could be coming here is just absolutely ridiculous. Here's the deal though. Trend exhaustion this high and well money flow this high, you must come back and look to see what has happened in the past when you've been up at these levels before. And if you look at this, you can see, well, we completely crashed over here and we completely crashed over here for the duration of where we're at. And then we're seeing these moves up over here. We saw them move back down. So I think a lot of people are looking at this. And this is kind of my call in here. I do think we're going to get a temporary move down here for this move up here for a short squeeze. And we'll just keep going over the metrics here just to keep everything honest. Go to the search bar up here, guys. Click in your coin. It'll just take you right to the metrics. Makes it a lot faster. Cardano is interesting. This is one of the coins where I'm seeing this happen, where we have short trades actually increasing in volume while long trades are staying the same. This is honestly a bearish sign for Cardano. So if it's going to crash, I think just to move back down here to about 44 cents is probably where we're going to be hitting. But it's interesting that the other coins are seeing long trades increase, but short trades have been increasing, and they've been holding steady in volume for short trades. Market cap strength, currently just tanking. So this literally tells you guys people are taking their money out of Cardano and they're placing it in other cryptocurrencies. One of the big ones being Bitcoin for sure, because it's going up a lot. Okay, Dogecoin here. Dogecoin, still, trend exhaustion is in the top right section. Well, money flow is high. If you guys are looking short, here's my official call on this. I would look to only short this and take about 3 to 4% profit. 4%, literally, because you don't want to be the guys getting caught on the short squeeze side and you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I never did that. So if you're looking to short these markets, I would look to only do about 3 to 4%. Dogecoin, volume of longs are above volume of shorts, which is positive. And then we also have market cap strength here, where the market cap actually went up a decent amount here on this move. So it's what we call irrelevant to price. So market cap is moving up faster than the actual price action itself, which is showing some bullishness in Doge. Probably a lot of people trying to get in here on the daily time frame. We can see this and buy this at such a ridiculous low pre-pump level. And that's what people are looking for. You guys prayed and wished for these days to come, and they're here. All right. Take a look at Link. Let's go back to the 4 hours so we keep this consistent here. Link, trend exhaustion super high. Well, money flow super high. Again, last time this happened here, look, we're not going to cherry pick. I'm not even looking at the price action. Just come up here and look to see what has happened when this has come up here. We saw a drop every single time, guys. Literally, on the lower time frames, if you guys are scalping or you're using that, these indicators are calling these drops like on the peak candles. Okay, before it moves back down. It's pretty ridiculous. So again, the dude that literally took his account from $150 actually turned it into $150, and he turned it into $3,000. That just shows to you guys, because you guys probably won't even believe me if I just say this. So this guy down here, we're learning more information about him, just figuring this out. He is using leverage, but he came and he was like, I took 150 and turned it into 1,000. And then he writes in, he's like, I told you I made $1,000 from 150. This month I made 3,000 of that same 1,000. So he's like $3,000 from 150 in 2 months. Again, the indicators did it. Guys, do not pass up the indicators. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com users about 3 years ago. I promise you guys, you are not going to get better indicators than this. We actually have a team trying to beat the accuracy of the trend exhaustion and price response money flow right now. We haven't been able to do it. So I don't know how many businesses try to beat their own products all the time, but we're always trying to give you guys the best stuff possible. And so we literally have I dedicate a portion of all the business proceeds. We're like, all right, even if we fail, we want to try to outperform everything we have. We're even doing this with the strategy right now to see if we can make it even better and better. We just have not yet. We've failed because in some areas because we have not beaten it. But I'd rather fail than not expose ourselves to a potential to make better indicators. But we just have not beat it. These are amazing, okay? Trend exhaustion high. Well, money flow higher. We see, again, last time this happened, guys, we're looking for that move back down. So I do believe we could see a little bit of a move back down. But then overall, we are so low in this market, guys. I think this is a time for the market to finally start moving back up. Let's go to AVAX here and take a look at the metrics. And we'll get to your favorite coin if we have not already. Okay, long versus short trades. This is bullish. We see short trades moving down in volume and long trades staying up here. Again, look at the spread here. This is volume difference that you guys are seeing in the markets. When you start seeing, short trades come up here and they're holding steady for a while and then they drop off, that drop right there was giving long trades the ability to start moving back up here. Hit the double top here, things happen to Bitcoin, you see the crash. But this is really going to kind of affect trades a lot when you guys are looking at the actual volume. Market cap strength, just staying healthy to the actual price, so not too much going on there. Let's take a look at Mana here this morning. Mana, Mana's just super low. Another one of those coins that, again, super high here, looking for the drop back down. Let's take a look at this. Some long and short trade data, is not available to anybody in the public. I think, one of them is Matic. There's one more that I can't remember at the moment, but it's not available to anybody. If they do get it, we'll put it on the website. I promise. Promise you guys of that because I want it. Market cap strength, guys, just still staying steady to the price, which is not looking too bad. So Mana in here, we do need to start looking for, I think, moves back up. But Here's guys, if the crash point is down here at 59 cents, from there, it's just a move up here. I was looking at this and I was keeping this on the chart. We have officially broken this descending support, which was resistance. We've come up here, we've bounced off of it. So this is actually a bullish sign where we could start moving back up off this line, which again, it's another bullish sign. The indicators are going to have to show that things are overbought if you want to keep seeing them move up. You guys just need to realize that. Matic over here. Let's go to Matic real quick. Let's go up here. Let's take a look at this. Matic for Polygon, we are seeing that market cap strength is staying pretty close to the same. So people aren't throwing a ton of money in here, but they're not abandoning the coin. This is like the heartbeat of a cryptocurrency, so it's still doing well. But again, for you guys who are in here, if you're going to be looking to scalp this, I would only go for 3 to 4%. Okay, 3 to 4%. Let me show you guys where 4% is on the drop here. It's not much at all. I know you guys are like, that's not much, but literally, that is all you should be looking for. Because if this thing keeps heading up here, guys, Bitcoin hits a short squeeze and you're holding your short trade, oh man, that's not going to be a good day for you whatsoever. So please, guys, I'm if you guys are in here, look to only do a short percentage. Those of you guys in the scalping trade, you've had 2 other buy limits down here. The second buy limit, because you market order in here, has not been hit in here. I have actually metrics that I screenshot of this. So those of you guys who ended up getting in here, you guys hit your first buy limit. Your break-even entry has dropped down between the first and second. Watch for this to be a winning trade on the scalping trade, guys. It's not over at all. If anything, this market is probably going to blow off here soon and see something pretty ridiculous. Okay, let's go over DOT here. Let's take a look at long trades. What are people doing? Where are they placing their money? Do we have long trade data? We do. So here's interesting on DOT. Shorts and longs are actually elevated together very closely. So something happened on DOT here where we're seeing more of a tug of war here at this resistance. Now, again, say this is like a broken record. I do believe we're going to see a little bit of a move back down here before we see it move back up. But overall, I'm looking for this to maybe not get all the way back down here, but do one of these swoops down and then kind of short squeeze everybody for a move back up. It's what I'm seeing with data. When you look at the long trades on Bitcoin, if you look at the market cap, it's almost foolish right now to look for a call for a move back down based off how much money is moving into Bitcoin. This would mean, listen guys, if Bitcoin absolutely crashes here, all of that money, those hundreds of millions of dollars moving in, you're telling me they all bought in just so they could lose all their money? Like, I don't know. I don't think so. So let's keep an eye on this. Volume for longs are definitely higher than shorts on EOS, so that's bullish. And then we're seeing that the market cap is just staying steady here on EOS. So EOS, guys, nice move up here. Those of you guys who are looking to scalp this thing, again, those of you guys, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. You guys know I say this so many times in the markets. You're looking for the moves back up. I'm just going to come in here and show you guys these moves over here when the trend exhaustion at the bottom section here, just to pull out a couple here. When you guys are scalping this is how you use the indicators. Let me get in here just to show this to you guys. The percentages in here are pretty decent. I mean, this move here to this move up here, you're talking about 9%. Remember, guys, we only scalp for 3 to 4%. The last 5 trades we called with the scalping videos have all won. That is 20% account growth if you guys did not use risk management. Now, I highly recommend you do on every single video, but I'm just giving you guys reference here. That's 6% there. If you guys are coming out over here and you're looking at this on EOS because the price is so low, you hit 5% there. Every single one of these guys hit 3 to 4% increases. That's a 17%. Use 3 to 4%. I've done the math. We ran the test on it. I've back tested it. I've looked at structures tediously by hand. 3 to 4% on the 4-hour time frame is the best scalping exits that you guys can be using. Now your question is, well, Travis, what if it goes up really high and I miss out? Then get back into a trade with 4%, but then at least compound your interest. It's when people go for more, like, oh, I'm going to stick into a trade until I hit 10%. Okay, you are giving up literally all of these profits that you can ping pong back and forth. And if someone did that over here and they were just holding, they may be in a loss right now where you could have gained 20% in the sideways market with trades we've called with the indicators. The indicators are going up in 48 hours. I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but I didn't. The indicators we have, guys, I think maybe I did. You have 48 hours to snag these, and we're going to be upping the price. These are the best ones for you guys to be getting. Okay, VET. I'm passionate about this because I see what people are making over here, and it makes me excited. Our account is the healthiest. My personal account, guys, is the healthiest crypto account we can find on all of YouTube. All of YouTube. Out of 150,000, we're at 77. Most people lost everything they had. and we still have 77,000. It's keeping you guys safe is my main priority over here, and still making a lot of money. Okay, market cap strength is staying steady here, so nothing is crazy happening on VET. It's basically just holding. I think when Bitcoin goes up, we're going to see VET go up as well. Solana here, let's take a look at two more coins and we'll end this. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, looking for that drop again. We saw it over here, we saw it over there. Okay, here's a resistance everybody needs to be watching very strongly on Solana. It's this one right here. So if we get up to about $55, definitely be watching for this drop back down in crypto for Solana at 55. Let's take a look at Solana real quick. Let's go up to the metrics. I hope you guys like this. I just want to give us a Memorial Day like roundup. By the way, thank you all so much for everyone who served our country. Really, really, honestly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. There's liberties and things we get to take advantage of here that we just couldn't without you. So really appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right, long and short trades over here on Solana. Short trades are higher. Short trade volume is actually higher than long trades. I did not know we were going to see this morning. So Solana, maybe one of those coins, and you guys have heard a lot of stuff about the Solana. I don't know. I hope you guys have heard about this. The Solana, let me read this to you guys real quick. I know we're just taking a little bit more time, but let me just inform you guys. The Solana blockchain is currently running about 30 minutes behind the real world clock. This won't affect the normal operations of the blockchain, but could affect the staking rewards until the issues are fixed. Okay, Solana has seen some blockchain issues in the past, so we are keeping an eye on it. This is an article that I posted to you guys in Telegram. Some things we don't even come out with on YouTube. It's the big stuff that we can see, we'll post in Telegram, so make sure you guys are followed over there. This may be why short trades, literally out of all the coins we've been watching, I think this is the only one where volume is actually higher than short trades in this degree right here. So, you know what? Yeah, gosh, guys, Solana may see a little bit more of a move down, or if anything, it may not move up as fast structure-wise as other coins. This moves me into another point, guys. Always stay diversified. Let me show you my personal portfolio over here so you guys can see this. Look at this. We've got EOS, Cardano, Doge, Ethereum, Solana, all these coins. I didn't just take my money, guys, and throw it all into one single coin. Yes, a lot is in EOS and Cardano because I really believe in those projects and I think we're going to do great there, but it's spread out. You guys need to spread your money out. Don't put all your money into one coin because you like the color of the logo or you guys think it's going to be the one to take off. I hope Luna was one of those cases, guys. A lot of people thought Luna was going to be the coin to take over them all, and then it just absolutely crashes and people lose everything, okay? Oh, it's so ridiculous what happened over there. Long versus short trades. Long trades are higher in volume than shorts for Shib. Market cap, seen a nice little pump. So this is good, guys. Shib is one of those coins where I do think we're going to see Shib have another run. Absolutely think that. Look at these pre-pump levels over here that we're hitting, guys. Everyone who gets in now, guys, getting in and moving up here is just ridiculous. This is the time where if you guys got some money on the sidelines and you're like, hey, I might want to put some money in, this is not a bad time to do so, okay? I'll be talking to my wife about this more. I tell it to you guys a lot in this video, but we're assessing, just like kind of where we're at in life, and I believe you should be doing that too. If you have discretionary income, it's probably not a bad time to get some in right now and just ride this back up. Look, we're going to make tens of thousands of dollars back, not in profit, but back once this market starts going up, because 150,000 is break even. But because of the risk management I teach you guys on this channel, this is where you guys are keeping your account safe. So let's just move into this, guys. In order to get into this, first of all, let me start with the indicators. This is more important than the membership, honestly, today. You guys need to snag this. You have 48 hours left. Click this link here and enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. That will give you guys 48% off all of our indicators. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. You'll get 40% off the 3 that we use and 60% off the rest. Okay? Coming over here and getting 84% off on all the indicators. You're going to get 2 Forex indicators never coded on TradingView before, a pressure gauge indicator, and the 3 that we use. These are what people are using, guys, to use our scalping strategy, which I've been using like a ton last week, which gave you guys 20% on 5 trades. 20% of your first buy limit. If you use 33%, you guys do the math. I'm just telling you guys, we hit 5 trades, which all hit 4%. So you decide how much that was for you based off the risk management that you use. So how I can just keep it integrity for everybody, okay? Coming over here, take a look at the pricing, guys. All the whale metrics we just went over, we only charge $95 a month. Now, we give you guys all of the metrics suite that you guys get for each coin, the Telegram entries and exits, which we are 122 wins and only 1 loss, by the way, guys, for our main strategy. This is outside of the scalping strategy, so I don't want to mix them up together, but outside of Luna, we've never lost a trade. 122 wins, 1 loss. You guys also get access to all the master classes. I've taught huge hedge funds, literally billion-dollar hedge funds, teaching them how to actually trade the markets with the master classes. Click those, guys. Watch them today if you guys want to excel really fast in crypto. The community chat, hey guys, chat with other people in the chat, see what's happening, and just, get to know them a little bit more. It's really fun to hang out with them. There's actually community when you guys get into a membership like this. It's not you guys just are on your own. For a while we didn't have one, but we're like, we got to release a community chat, so we did that. Live Inner Circle Zoom meetings happen every single month where I get on live with you guys. So you get personal coaching from me every month, open Q&A sessions. Literally, we thought of everything possible in crypto and we gave it to you guys. We didn't charge $300, $400, $500, probably $1,000 a month like we should. We only did $95. So snag this, guys, as well as the indicators in the description, and enjoy the profits that are coming. I will be coming out with more scalping videos this next week. So if you guys like the profits that you've seen, don't wait for me to come out with a video because it'll probably be after the sale ends. Get the indicators, set them up, and then get ready for my calls that I'm about to make next week. Okay, guys? And you can do that every single day scalping these markets. I love you guys. God bless you. Again, thank you for everyone who served our country. Happy Memorial Day. I'll see you guys later. 48 hours left on the indicators, guys. Make sure you click here and then just click this link right there and you guys will be able to snag them. And I will see you guys later. All right. God bless you guys. Have a good one. I've linked and pinned all the links that you guys need for the membership and indicators in the description, as well as the first comment of this YouTube video. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.